Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V29 Lite and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's enter reset options, and as you can see at the top we've got the option looking for, so reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. So let's tap on it. Here your device will again inform you what it will actually reset. Here you can also erase eSIM cards. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not, and all you have to do is to tap on reset settings. Here we've got a warning that you cannot undo this action, so tap on reset settings if you're ready. And as you can see we've got this information, which means that we just successfully reset network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.